In this video, I'm going to show you how to loop MIDI in Cakewalk. Now to do this, first you want to click on your audio clip which has MIDI like this, and the first way to do this would simply be to press Ctrl and L on your keyboard, and as you can see when you do this, the edges are going to get like cut a bit, and if you then position yourself at the very right of your MIDI, you can just click and drag, and that way it's going to loop it to infinity just like this. So you can of course loop as many times as you need. When you're done, press Ctrl and L again, and as you can see, it's going to toggle it on or off, okay? Just make sure you know that if you toggle this off, it's going to actually remove your loops, okay? So that's the first way to do this. But then the second way is going to be to simply loop your playback. So in this case, you want to go up here and you want to select what you want to loop. So for example, I just want to loop this small bit over here, just like this, for example. And you want to go to loop and you want to click on this loop over here, and that's going to loop a section. And you can also go and then select how long of a loop you want it to be. Again, I'm going to select this part, and now I'm going to hit play. As you can see, it's simply looping that specific part over here within these yellow borders or boundaries over here, okay? Now, if you want to cancel your loop, click on here, just toggle this off, and that's really all you have to do. You could also do the same thing if pressing L on your keyboard. It's going to trigger the loop on or off as well, as you can see, okay? So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.